So we want to teach our dog to sit down. And what we want to do to get ready is get some little training treats. I have a few in my hand here. They're tiny little training treats. And we want to get your dog's attention. Now, I don't like to practice this on cold, hard surfaces. A lot of dogs, especially small dogs, it's just too cold for them. They're not going to want to sit down no matter what you do. I like to use a carpeted area. You can go outside on the grass if it's a nice day. If all you have is a cold, hard surface, put down a blanket or even a dog bed and have your dog practice sitting on that blanket or dog bed so that they have something warm and comfortable to sit on. Especially Chihuahuas. I gotta tell you, with all the dogs I've trained, little dogs like Chihuahuas, they do not, for anything, want to sit on a cold, hard floor. So what we're going to do to learn a sit. We're going to have our dog in a standing position. We're going to move it just barely, just barely over her nose to where she, on her own, places her butt on the floor. As soon as her butt hits the floor, we're going to say sit and give her the training treat. So we're just going to quickly move the treat back until she naturally sits down on her butt. Yes, girl. Say sit, move the training treat. As soon as her butt hits the ground, say yes and give her the training treat. So we're going to start with the command sit, move the training treat backwards until her butt naturally hits the floor. As soon as her butt hits the floor, we're going to say yes and give her the training treat. Okay, so we're going to give the command sit. We're going to move the training treat back straight over her nose. As soon as her butt naturally hits the ground, we're going to say yes and give her the training treat. Ready? Sit. Yes. You can also give her lots of love and praise. That's going to reinforce the behavior. And we're just going to try this over and over again until I don't have to move the training treat back behind her eyes to get her butt to sit on the ground. As soon as I say the word sit, she knows her butt needs to hit the ground and I'll give her the treat. Eventually, after you keep doing this, you can stop giving the treats every other time, and then slowly over time you won't have to give them treats at all. They'll just know when you give them the command sit that their butt is supposed to hit the ground. We'll try this one more time. Kim, sit. Yes, good girl, good girl.